Hello, this is Jay Bowman from OnlineForexAnalysis.com. Just doing a market update for Monday, the 5th of September 2011. So let's get straight to it. Now what we have here is the euro, and basically if I just click on the weekly, it did an upside breakout failure and has come back into the sort of descending wedge here. Now, support lies on a weekly at the 140 level, 140.50 mark, right? But if it does tend to break that level, we could well possibly say that on a weekly basis we would be heading to the 137 mark. Okay, that's on a weekly break though. So what I've got here is I've got further daily confirmation on the euro, giving me further downside to the 139, 80 mark, but would see it sort of stall out at the 140.70 mark, which also, mind you, represents the weekly support level there of this descending wedge. So that's where we're going so far on the euro. I'll just show you this sterling one now, or cable if you want to call it that. Basically what we have here is when we go to the daily, we had a bear flag and also hit its target. Now that was about 250 to 300 pips there. It was a horn formation, which usually represents a change in direction of trend. So, but on the bottom of that horn there, at this level here, it's the 158 levels, another 200 pips from where it is roughly now. But you could also see another, you could also see another easy flag sort of scenario there before it gets to that level. So that's your sterling daily. Now let's go to the American dollar, and if we have a look at this on the monthly, it seems like it's just dibble-dabbling around. There's nothing really going on here so far. Now on the weekly, we have this consolidation pattern here where sort of the top of it would be at the 76 mark, and this would also correlate with the other currencies getting weaker against the US dollar, like the euro and the sterling that we talked about before. So the top of that sort of the 76 mark, that's got room to move to the upside. Also on the daily, it's if it gets past this this 75.40 mark, it's well on its way up to the to test that resistance at the 76 level. So not really much to say on the US dollar, except for it to possibly be gaining a little bit of strength in the meantime. But what one thing is to note is that because of the non-farm payroll figures on Friday weren't as good, there could be some sort of rumor of QE3, and if the QE3 is mentioned, that will stir up some serious hype in the markets, and will basically reinflate all the share prices again, which would also be sort of damaging to the dollar, so the dollar would take a negative dip on that. But that's not here yet, so we only trade what we see. So there's my update for the 5th of September 2011. Keep in tune, otherwise you can email me at admin@onlineforexanalysis.com. This is Jay Bowman, signing off until next time.